Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, let's claim day 2 of the 2025 Christmas Advent Calendar in Plants vs. Brainrots. So let's claim today. So the next one will be in 22 hours. I did not mean to do that. Claim today and press E. You can choose luck or plant health. Let's do, So this one's the 6-7 ornament, and this one's the Shroomino ornament. Do I want more luck or do I want more health? That is a question. I'm gonna do luck. And that is it. It also it also added a conveyor power. And yeah, that's my day 2 claimed. 23 more days. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. Comment down below like what ornament you got. It's obviously going to be different for you guys, but yeah, that is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. I don't remember if I said that already. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.